Welcome, now I got Motorola Moto G41 and now I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first step, open your top bar and find screen recorder button, this one. If you don't have this button here, press to pencil and then scroll down to the bottom and find this button here. Then need to press and hold and drag to top for add this button in top bar. And for saving, click back. Then when you have this button here, press it, start recording, confirm, start. And now when you see this panel here, you got a microphone. And this if you click on this microphone, you can choose, for example, without sound screen recorder or system sound microphone and system sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.